What them a do, what them a try. Me never lose nothing this life. It's sharp and kind. AI.
So we are here today with the vocalist himself, Preedy. Today is his birthday, so first of all, happy birthday to you.
Man, thank you very much.
And keeping with our annual tradition, if you all didn't know, we have a little bit of an annual tradition where our birthdays are closely aligned with each other, and every year, for some reason, we always end up in the same place at the same time. Yeah.
And we got it.
And we got it.
Yeah.
So, how did you spend your birthday today?
My birthday was really calm. I guess my life is very fast, so for my birthday I tend to try and reflect. I try to, give thanks for life, give thanks for the opportunity and all the success I've been having, and try and reflect. So this morning I went fishing with some fam and some friends.
Nice.
Spend the morning just catching fish, chilling on the water, blazing up some. And it was a really good experience.
Nice man, nice man. I think that's a common misconception. People think, Preedy, you're bad and you're out and wild for your birthday, but I think, people think that we are always on the go, high energy. We're always just up and in the up energy.
Of course.
But even for myself, for my birthday as well, I do nothing. As much as I can do nothing,
relax, yeah.
I do nothing.
I feel like it's a time and place situation, and when they're ready for high Preedy and for me to shell on the place and thing together. But I definitely also respect the time that I have to spend with family, and I value, resting, and I want to always be at my full potential. So I try to take it easy from time to time, not go hard on 100% all the time.
So as you mentioned family, how has that been for you in the last couple of years? I think you have transitioned, even as a person, the way that you've done your concerts like Chance and whatnot. We've seen Preedy, the artist, mature and grow. What is that like for you? What is life like for you now?
I mean, life is life, and I don't complain. I think for me, it's a natural progression to want to mature and not want to kind of be in a mindset of you have to the hustle and bustle. And my family, my son, wifey, they definitely is the kind of cool that keeps the fire burning and why I do this, so I never lose track of why I do this in good seasons, and in bad seasons they ride it to pat money back and say, yo bro, don't worry, it's a legend to be up, time to go again, bills gotta get paid.
Bills gotta get paid. So, I mean, what do you want for you personally?
It's not what I want, I think it's what's going to happen. I don't want anything else that I've never worked for. I do ask for a handout, give me my just desserts, give me what you see me working for, and I mean, that is it. I'm not looking to kind of cheat my way in life, or I think life will give you whatever you work for. So for me, I try to keep my head down, work as hard. I know I will be a legend, jump high, jump low. I just want to make sure that I'm a legend, a living legend, and not a dead legend. And I just put in the work, the legacy is building. So for me, I just want to be able to, the circumstances where I came from, like all these things would never be possible. Like these lights, me being the main focus, me being the main character of my own movie, that was never possible. It was never taught. I was never fed, that, I could be anything I want to be. And to be living that, is kind of hypocritical of me. So, against whatever they see for me. So I just give thanks for the opportunity to just live the way I want to live, the way I see myself.
Yeah.
What them I do, what them I try. so hard, it's like thinking a bullet to the heart. As I wonder the next one starts, as we create this destructive. Oh, le, le, le. Are you willing to try? Just tell me, girl, say yeah, 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 yeah. One more time. If you're willing to fight, I'll fight for you. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. Girl, let's try. If you're not over me, just open your arms, accept me, girl, say yeah, 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 yeah. One more time, 'cause I don't want you to leave, just hold me close. Say yeah, 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 yeah. Why? Me loyal girl, me know that. But you see me never show that. We were sweet melodies like Mozart. I know that I made so much mistakes. This is why you never call me. Fading away is so far. Don't flatline. Online support your heart still beat to me. Are you willing to try? Just tell me, girl, say yeah, 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 yeah. Oh. If you're willing to fight, I'll fight for you. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. If you're not over me, just open your arms, accept me, girl. Say yeah, 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 oh. 'Cause I don't want you to leave, just hold me close. Say yeah, 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 yeah. Whenever you roll, whenever the bumper roll, just make the bumper roll. 'Cause I'm catching feelings. Huh. She broken it all on the fence. Double joint, but she paid and she bent. Honestly, baby, I cannot pretend that you and me could just only be friends. Normally, I would be until the next. Yes, I'm blocking your calls and ignoring your texts. Yes, I can be your friend, I read that be your ex. Fatal attraction is more than a flex, 'cause don't fret, just bend up and walk that way. It's like you and now I'm in jail, baby. I go pay the bill. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't fret, just bend up and walk that way. It's like you and now I'm in jail, baby. I go pay, 'cause I can't deny when you whine. I catch feelings. I try hard to fight all my might and not leaving. Should I hide from the truth or reveal it? 'Cause I can't deny. Whenever you roll, whenever the bumper roll, just make the bumper roll. 'Cause I catching feelings. Shh. 'Cause if you fail after trying so hard, it's like taking a bullet to the heart. Me and you know we was doomed from the start. But girl, we still tried real hard. But I know I made some mistakes. She said I was not a friend and I was fake. Oh girl, you're lying, yes you can relate. 'Cause I'm just a man and I hurt some days. But no, I'll do anything for you. Anything you want, baby, you just make it true. Wishes upon a star, you dreaming, girl. I know you feel the love that I have deep down inside. Tears in my eyes, asking God why she can say yes, praying all the time. But if you fail after trying so hard, it's like taking a bullet to the heart. As one war done, the next one start. Be creating hard. If you fail after trying so hard, it's like taking as one war. Are you willing to try? Just tell me, girl, say yeah, 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 yeah. If you're willing to fight, I'll fight for you. Just say Yeah, man. What them I do, what them I try.